Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So guys, let's see what is going on currently on the euro currency. As you can see, picture looks absolutely different from the previous trading session. So yesterday we have had here this upward white candle, while currently we have, you can see, the doji with a small long upward shadow. That is quite different picture. What is interesting is that this retracement up is equals to that one, and the price action is very common. As you can see, small white candle, doji. So let's see again. So based on this price action, I probably suggest that we should see the 129.20 area, because that price action, especially when we will look at it on the intraday charts, see that shows some kind of weakness, and probably market hardly will accelerate further right from that area. At least this action doesn't look like the impulse move and attempt to upward continuation. That's more gradual retracement, another leg in the retracement, and the respect of the support area, that is weekly pivot support 1 and 50% support. So based on this development, especially if you will draw these lines, you'll see that it's developing the bullish wedge pattern that is opposite to the previous trend. In most cases, this wedge pattern breaks out in the direction of the previous trend and the continuation, because this wedge pattern shows the housing of retracement move, housing of the downward action. And since the wedge is the reversal pattern, so we could call it, then probably we should expect the upward continuation, but not right now, I suppose. I think that we still will see another move down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth leg right to the 29.20 area. On the 4-hour time frame, still we have some moment that's not very welcome for bears, and that pattern is bullish stop grabber on the 4-hour time frame. Well, personally, I think that it hardly will work, mostly based on the previous action and how upward and then plunge down have developed. But still, that is the pattern of risk for the bearish development, and we should take it into consideration. This pattern suggests, if it will work, the taking out of these highs. That's why it calls as a stop grabber. The invalidation point of this pattern is its low. It's right here. So if you would like to take the short position, the safest way to do that is using the stop entry order right below this low, and the market would start to taking out of these lows. In this case, it will be safer to enter short, because if you would like to enter short right now, you should take this risk. That's attempt that market will probably continue move high and could take out of these highs, and probably a stop should be somewhere in this area. In these terms, the risk reward ratio will be attractive, but not very significant. So makes your decision if you would like to take any position, of course. But this high is also important for us, not just because this is the target of the stop grabber, but also because that is an invalidation point of that pattern. That is a butterfly, another butterfly buy that is now developing here. But first, take a look how market behaves with this development. So you can see this gradual, choppy, and difficult move to the upside, and erasing of this move is just 2 candles. This market looks heavy. That just was really a difficult move for the market to the upside. Market has failed around the weekly pivot point and plunged down for the 2 candles that almost erased all move to the upside. That shows how market weak is, and I think that it's more probability that probably market will continue move right now or right down. At least I do not want to take long position based on the bullish stop grabber pattern. That's the kind of risk for the bearish development, but I do not want to take long position based on this pattern. Well, also what is interesting is that on the 4-hour time frame, you see that this harmonic pattern, the 3 drive pattern, is rather harmonic, because this swing up is equals to that one. They are different in terms of the time. It's a bit faster, but in terms of the distance they are equal. And also we could get the perfect ABCD pattern here. So a lot of different targets point on the same area. What are they? First of all, the ABCD pattern from that head and shoulders has the target right here. The small ABCD patterns right here. 3 drive-by is right here. 1 butterfly, another butterfly. That all of them have the target around 129.20 area. And 3 drive pattern, you can see now, consists of 2 side-by-side butterfly. That is very typical for the 3 drives. It happens very often. Well, that makes this pattern more reliable. So, that's been said, personally I would like to see development as I have described, and particularly with this butterfly will reach the target, and I think that market will still hit 129.20 area based on the market mechanics and behavior and today and previous trading session. The one point of risk now is the stop grabber, and although I think that it hardly will reach its target, but still it adds more risk, and particularly due to this moment, I suppose that to enter with the stop entry order below these lows will be safer than just taking the short position right now. Although this entry point will be a bit worse than this one, but the risk will be smaller as well, because by this moment the stop grabber will be erased by the price action. Well, let's see how it will turn. But currently I already start to think about 129.20 area, because that will be our major point to watch for opportunity to enter on the long side of the market with a target around 132.50 area. That development we probably should see on the next week if market will behave as we expect it should be.